Happy Friday. So I just want to hope here I'm going to share with you there's only 3 days left to grab your Instagram Christmas kit, like only 3 days, and it's gone forever. So only you have 3 days left, and like it's all over like freaking bonuses over $850 plus dollars in all just $111. You're getting everything in growing your business on Instagram, building your authority, visibility, and even if you are a whole new, you want to up your game on Instagram in 2024, or like you know everything but you still need like guidance on how to up your strategy, how to implement that gets result, this kit is for you. And you will getting so many bonuses. One-on-one coaching call with me worth $199, 7 days of Voxer support, ask with me anything. And yesterday I also got the question, like right now, if we are in holiday, you don't have time, you're busy, like it's like Christmas and all the holidays, you can still grab your one-on-one coaching call with me, 7 days of Voxer support. In the next year in 2024, you can use those bonuses in 2024. So make sure you don't miss out the chance and grab your Christmas kit now. It's only available for 3 days.